This photo in front of you, it is the photo of the former political prisoners. These are the very last prisoners to leave this prison. Here, prisoners were very happy to be free. I would like to say something about this gentleman. His name is James Mange. What is special about him is that he is coming from the death row, from the condemned cell, because he was initially sentenced to death by hanging for fighting apartheid. The gentleman spent 2 years in the death row before his sentence was then reduced to life imprisonment during the campaigns of the Amnesty International. He was in that section, F section. When you look around here, there are 5 towers. That is the first tower. And this is the second tower. The third one up there, 2 towers are in that direction. All those towers were always manned by heavily armed sentries to make it a point that prisoners do not escape from this place. Right round this, you see this fence. It is not an open fence, but a double fence in between what is confined their dogs. That was another measure of making a point that prisoners do not escape from this place. Besides, as a prisoner, it was not easy to swim your way to Cape Town.
Yeah.
That's why from 1964 up to 1991, not even a single prisoner managed to escape from this place. So from here, we are going straight to X section, please. Let's proceed to X section.
Kwa musiki kama komenzere mimi como comenzei a ripi Meona resto kuya baba. Cara. Devo dizer não.